Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro dollar in front of us, and we can see that overall the chart of Euro USD or GBP USD both are trading inside a range here. The range of Euro USD is bigger in comparison to the range of GBP USD, but overall the trading opportunities are very less because of low volume in the market right now. Let's start with the chart of US dollar index DXY. Okay, before that, let's look at the market sentiment. Gold flat as dollar, yields firm, investors seek more US data. So mostly the market is waiting for the upcoming PCE report, which is coming on Friday. So till Friday, we can expect the market to remain like this or behave like this. And as we all know, okay, this month has been a little difficult, especially for gold traders like me, because market has been extremely unpredictable. So be careful and do not go for tight stop losses, okay, and use proper risk management. Now, this is the chart of DXY, and we can see that after taking support, okay, the DXY is has gone up again, and DXY is also trading inside a range. So in this type of market situation, you must be knowing that buy support, sell resistance is the best trading strategy. But most of us hate sideways market because yes, waiting is very difficult. So here also similar stuff. As you can see, market is standing on the middle of the chart, middle of the range. So obviously this is not the ideal position to do anything. If market drops, the next support on the chart of DXY will be around 105.18, the previous level from where market bounced. If it breaks it, then we can expect the next support to be around 105 to 104.90. The box that I've made here because of 105 being a round number psychological level and 104.90 because of the FIBO 50% retracement level, because here market has bounced from FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So if market drops, we can expect these two levels to provide support to the market. And if market reverses, bounces, we can plan our trades accordingly. On the other hand, if market goes up, then obviously we have the resistance around 105.90. Earlier, the structure of the market was higher highs and higher lows. So market was breaking the previous high and it was going up, but the picture has changed. Market is no longer forming higher highs, so this time we can expect that, especially before Friday, that if market goes up also, market will face resistance around this area. So let's wait and watch. And as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that if DXY really wants to continue the upside, it needs to cross 106 and it needs to sustain or stay above it. Let's wait and watch. Now, Euro USD. So similar to DXY, Euro USD is also trading inside a big range and also standing on the middle of the range. So not an ideal place to go for any order. By the US session, if you see that Euro USD is bullish, very bullish, then you can look for a buy above 1.0746, the previous high made by the market. But if volume is less, see, understand the fact here, to break any level, any market, stock market, commodity market, forex market, to break any level, volume is extremely important. If volume is missing, for example, if Euro USD goes up with small candles like this, obviously it won't be able to break it. In that case, it will reverse. So one level, two trading opportunities. So it all depends on the volume. So when market will enter the zone, observe the market condition. If you see that market is going up with small candles and market is showing price rejection from below, just wait for 1 to 2 minutes, you will get the answer. If market reverses, hit the sell button. But if you see that there is a sudden buying on Euro USD, DXY is also going down at the same time, okay, you can consider it as a confirmation and you can look for a breakout. You can go for a buy above 1.0746. Do not expect much because we have the EP resistance around 1.0764. This is the immediate resistance on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, this is the level from where you can expect the market to reverse. Okay, because of previous strong resistance around the area 1.0764, 1.0760. This is the level. Personally, okay, I will not be looking for the breakout trade, but if I get a chance, then I will be looking for a sell around 1.0760, this area here. Because already we can see the market is not very trending right now. So if market reverses, we will be looking for a sell around the previous resistance as well as FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So in simple words, this is a better level to take a sell position than this, but as this level is far away from the current market price, so that's why I mentioned the trading opportunity around this area. And on the other hand, if market drops, we can look for a buy around this area 1.0668, the support made by the market or the level from where market bounced previously. Try to avoid any position on the middle of the chart. Most of us lose money in sideways market because we fail to keep patience. We enter on the middle of the chart and ultimately we get trapped. So if you do not want to see some trap trades on your PNL, then please try to avoid. Now let's talk about GBP USD. The positions, the opportunities that we discussed in our previous video are still very much valid on GBP USD, and the reason is very low volume. GBP USD is trading on a range of 30 to 35 pips. This is the hourly chart, that's why the candles may look bigger, but you can see that GBP USD chart is not very ideal right now. So if you have any ongoing position on the cable, you can continue with it, because in this situation, okay, it's very difficult to tell in which direction the market is about to move. Just as we discussed on the chart of Euro USD, similar picture here also. If GBP USD goes up from here, you can look for a sell around 1.2715. Here also the volume is going to play a major role, but here do not go for a buy and breakout. Okay, if market reverses for 1.2715, then only go for a sell. And if you see that GBP USD has crossed the level, then we can look for the second selling opportunity around 1.2740. So these are the two levels where you can look for a sell opportunity on the chart of GBP USD, because overall if you consider the chart of GBP USD, the chart is not very positive. And if GBP USD drops, the best buy opportunity is around 1.2620, the low made by the market, this low. But this low is far away from the current market price, so chances of market going to this level is very, very less. Okay, so we have another immediate supporter of 1.2660, this one, but this is a very weak level. So if the market remains like this, if you see market is going down to small candles, means volume is low, then only look for a buy around this area. But if you see market going down with these type of candles, then obviously this will not work. So volume plays a very crucial role for any level. Okay, hopefully you got the point. And as we do not have volume right now, that's why we are looking for trading opportunities on weak levels like this. Otherwise, this type of levels do not work much. So let's wait and watch. And as we have already discussed, till Friday, we can expect the market to remain like this, because market is mostly waiting. So my dear friends, do not place some crazy trades and lose money. We are traders, not gamblers. Do not forget it. Bye-bye. Take care.